Found a GKT file from graphics design work? This is a project file from graphic design software requiring specific tools to access. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through opening and working with these GraphiKit project files. If you frequently deal with unusual GKT file types, a universal file viewer is an essential tool. We'll cover exactly the one I use and recommend later in the walkthrough. GKT files are project files used by graphic design applications, storing complete design projects including vector elements, raster images, text layers, and compositional layouts. They preserve design state for ongoing editing of logos, illustrations, and graphic compositions in their respective design software environments. GKT project files use proprietary application-specific formats, storing design data including object hierarchies, layer information style definitions, and asset references. The structure preserves complete editable design, state with vector paths, typography settings, color information, and effects parameters for full design fidelity. The most trusted opener for the GKT file is consistently Adobe Illustrator from Adobe. The complex compression ratio is not supported by standard Windows decompression tools. Windows shows the artwork, but not its editable components. Let's see which program can read this specific version. Right-click the GKT file and hit Open with. Test Adobe Illustrator first. If it's not present, choose a different app. That often leads to the fix. When a GKT file fails to open, it is usually for a basic reason. Before the final solution, let's grasp the mechanics of the error. Here are the technical reasons this GKT format is causing you grief. First, identifying source application. Determine which graphics application created the GKT file based on the project context and originating design team. Check accompanying files and folder structures for application-specific clues. Common possibilities include various specialized graphics design tools used in professional creative workflows. Next, opening in original software. Install the application that created the GKT file and use its Open project function to load the file. Maintain related asset files in their original folder structure to ensure proper project loading without missing dependencies that would compromise the design integrity. Finally, converting to standard formats. If the original software is unavailable, request the project owner export the design to standard formats like SVG, AI, or PDF. These widely supported formats preserve the design content while enabling editing in various graphics applications independent of the original GKT format. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. At this stage, your most reliable recourse is a comprehensive solution like FileMagick. It's built to bypass the limitations of basic tools available at filemagick.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.